A car starts from rest in this question. When it is at distance s from starting point, speed is v, and acceleration 25v plus v cubed. Show that dv is equal to 25 plus v squared ds, and find corrected 2 decimal places speed when s is 0.01. So there's a bit going on here. We're looking like we're dealing with dv ds. Where does this come from? S is equal to ut plus a half at squared. ds dt is equal to u plus at, which is my v. That's one part of where this comes from. We also know that if we say v is equal to u plus at, dv dt is equal to a. So we have a v, we have an a, and we can then say that a is equal to my a, which is dv dt. dv dt is equal to, in terms of ds dt times, and we know that ds dt is v. And how do I get rid of the things that I don't want? Well, I want dv dt, so I have to get rid of ds and keep dv. So that's why acceleration is equal to v times dv ds, which is what we're going to use in this question. So let's start with acceleration, 25v plus v cubed. This is equal to v dv ds. We can divide across by v here. We're going to get 25 plus v squared is equal to dv ds. So ds is equal to dv divided by 25 plus v squared. This brings in tan when we integrate. The integration of these, and we're going to be going between 0 to find s, and we're given some information. S, when s is equal, we're asked to show that dv is equal to there. Look, so if I multiply across by ds here at this line, we'll get dv is equal to 25 plus v squared ds. Just tidy that up. But then the last part, s, find correct 2 decimal places speed when s is 0.01. So the distance is 0.01 and we're looking for the speed. So v 0. So integrating the left, we're going to get s between 0.01 and 0. Equal to the right is going to give the 1 over 5 by the inverse tan of v over 5. That's the way this one integrates, between v and 0. And the tan of 0 is equal to 0 here, so that's going to give me nothing. So we're going to get 0.01, putting it in for s, minus 0 if you want to put it in, is equal to 1 over 5 by the inverse tan of v over 5. Might as well multiply by 5 to get 0.05 is equal to the inverse tan of v over 5. So that means that the tan of the left, the tan of 0.05, is equal to v over 5. So instead of writing v over 5, I'll write 5 over here. 5 times the tan of 0.05 is equal to v. And what do we ask for? Show that dv, and then find corrected 2 decimal places the speed. So 2 decimal places into a calculator with this one is giving me velocity to be, that's giving me, now be careful here, you've got to put your calculator in radians for this one. V is equal to 0.25 meters per second.